Welcome to Techo Guide, the only app designed to help you navigate your college and career journey in the quickest and most affordable way. This podcast is brought to you by EdTechWity, dedicated to opening doors to higher education and career opportunities for all.
Are you a college student and looking for some advice but not really sure where to go, who to contact? Well, I'm Vanessa and I'm a Techo Guide content creator, and here's another pro tip on seeing a counselor. Professor G recommends his students to see a counselor often and see different types of counselors for different types of advice. And when making these meetings, make them early because counselors do get filled up with meetings, especially during peak week like registration week. So November, December, January can get a little complicated trying to register a meeting with them. So it's best to see the counselors during off-peak times so you could have more time with the counselor, and they can even make recommendations not only for your classes, but even possibly make an educational plan for you. And if you're feeling unsure about those recommendations, go see another counselor and double check with your Techo Guide account by going to academics, clicking on classes, and then that will tell you how many classes you have left in order to complete your degree. So, for more tips on how to get through college and get that degree in the most affordable way possible, download the Techo Guide app or visit TechoGuide at techoguide.com.
Thank you for tuning into Techo Guide, the app focused on bringing you tools and content to help you make better decisions about school, life, and career. We hope this episode has inspired you to pursue and excel in your own educational and career journey. Don't forget to subscribe, follow, and share.